morning and welcome back to my YouTube page. It's Wednesday morning and I just woke up, just waking up, and I just thought to pick up my camera and open this vlog. My light is bad. I'm supposed to use it, but the battery was charged. I used it early this morning because I had a job that I had to deliver by 6 a.m. today for a dad. They were going to do a surprise package. So after that, I just went back to bed and I'm just waking up. So I just thought to pick up my camera and then do this vlog. Okay, so I'm supposed to go do a delivery for my guy. Our wedding card is out already. It's out. This IV is not supposed to be like this. This is not what I wanted. But it happens that the guy that did it for us, I don't know what his excuse was. I confided in him, or he spoke to me in a confidential tone, and I just told him that he was going to do a very nice job, which he did. He did a very good job on the card. The card is beautiful, but it was the envelope that almost caused us a problem. So this is our wedding IV. The quality of this card is actually giving. Like it has some glitters on it, but the envelope was what I don't like. This is looking just too ordinary. But then what to do? The mistake has been done, so there's nothing I can do again. At the time I wanted to correct it, he said he has already gotten all of this and he can't waste it. And in this economy, you don't have to waste any product. Anything that makes you waste any product, your name is sorry. So I just have to manage it. Since the card is beautiful on its own, it's fine. So I'm going to reveal this to my husband in Lagos. My husband stays in Lagos, and I need to send some copies to him to Lagos, and then I am supposed to go to the bank as well. Yeah, I'm going to the bank. My ATM card got expired, and the money I want to use for market is in that account. So I need to go get a new ATM card before heading back home. Then weave my hair because I'll be going to market tomorrow, hopefully. Tomorrow. And guess who is going with me? My sister is going with me, my videographer. That is what I call her because she does all my videos. She understood the assignment of a YouTuber. Oh my god. Hey guys, if this is your first time, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you've not subscribed, please do it to hit the subscribe button below, to like, share, and to comment. So now when I upload a new video, don't forget to turn on the notification button to get notified when I will upload a new video. This series is a series of a new bride to be. This is official Mrs. Somebody on the way coming. So I almost forgot I've not told you guys, welcome to my channel. This is the vlog about our new bride to be. So guys, so I will be going to make my hair hopefully today after the bank, and after we're doing this for hobby. And I guess I'll be using Libra for this way because Libra is close to the house. And what else? Tomorrow is market. I might not really talk about the market stuff tomorrow because I don't know. Hopefully I might, that is if I'm able to charge my phone, because I need to leave very early to Aba market so that I can meet up and then come back tomorrow. I'm also going to get the Ashebi clothes tomorrow. So what should I title this video now? The bride to be. So guys, you guys are just going to join me in the whole of activities for today. Watch how my activities go from the waybill, from the cargo or the waybill or the delivery down to the bank, from the bank to my hair, and from my head to market. Hey guys, thank you. Just do it to like, subscribe, and share to my YouTube channel. This is your Port Harcourt based YouTuber, a content creator based in Port Harcourt. We create content on cooking, baking, and lifestyle. Remember, our video is going to take a new turn because it's going to be more of lifestyle, family, food, and bake. So guys, I'm going to see you guys in the rest of the video, and keep watching. Stay tuned for those latest bright
and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. And never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher.
So guys, I couldn't do video while I was there because the price of drinks was really mad, but this is what I could get. Everything here is amounting to 164,900. Yes, everything here. The price I went there to make inquiry before wasn't what I got today that I went there, so it's really mad. This is who won't marry, and this is not all the drink we are supposed to buy. We still have more drinks to get, but it's all we could get for now. So see you guys in the next video.